According to reports, Kaizer Chiefs have decided against extending the contract of attacking midfielder Gaston Sirino kuthiwa inkontileka yakhe izophela nge-30 June and amakhosi had an option ukuthi-ke bayivuselele kodwa sebekhethe ukuthi bangakwenzi lokho bamdedeleke lo mdlali-ke ukuthi ahambe-ke ayofuna iqembu elisha kule sizini ezayo. And also another player that is expected to leave nguye-ke uGeorge Matlo kuthiwa-ke nakhona it is the same story. They had an option ukuthi bayi-renew-ke i-contract yakhe ibiphela nge-30 June kodwa-ke the management decided against doing that. Naye-ke lo mdlali uzoshiya-ke laphana kumakhosi ngoba sazi-ke ukuthi-ke he spent most of his time laphana-ke naturena elimele, so they have decided to cut their losses. And the latest in terms of laphana kuMaccabi Lepo, according to IFA Post, IFA Rabat that lost to Mamelodi Sundowns kuyo CAF Champions League final have shown interest in signing the player should he leave amakhosi. So kuzodependa-ke ukuthi-ke amakhosi amdedela yini-ke lo mdlali ukuthi ahambe kayojoyina laphana for free kodwa-ke if bengamdedeli IFA Rabat izomele-ke ikhokhe-ke because amakhosi-ke amsayina ngaye-ke around u-10 million. And also some interesting news for amakhosi fans ukuthi-ke kuthiwa-ke Kaizer Chiefs is looking at signing uLangelihle Phili who plays for Stellenbosch FC. He was one of their standout performers-ke last season. He scored 9 goals in all competitions. Wawina-ke nama-awards amaningi-ke laphana kuma-Stellenbosch FC Awards. So-ke kuthiwa amakhosi are looking at this exciting winger and-ke kungenzeka-ke ukuthi-ke if-ke iStellenbosch ngempela siyimisele-ke ngaye-ke laphana u-Ashley Dupré bazozama ukuthi-ke bathole bona-ke uPhili in a swap deal. So we'll have to wait and see-ke as the story develops in the upcoming days.